Hey guys, it's Amanda Douglas. We've got a quick 5-minute video for you today on a gluten-free chicken apple sausage cheesy pasta. Stay tuned and we'll show you how to make it.
To deserve affection, to ever be enough for this existence. When did it get so hard? Your heart is beating, alive and breathing, and there's a reason why. You are essential, not accidental, and you should realize you are beloved. Sometimes a heart can feel like a heavy weight. It pulls you under and you just fall away. Is anybody gonna hear you call? Oh, but there's a purpose under the surface, and you don't have to drown. Let me remind you that love will find you. Let it lift you out. You are beloved.
Let's check this out. It has been in the oven for about 10-12 minutes on 350, so let's check it out. Are you ready for some pasta, Charlie? Yeah? Let's take this out of here and see. Ooh, this looks yummy. This looks yummy. Charlie wants some pasta too. But so here's our pasta, all baked and melted together. And then we'll do a little taste test and see how you like it. You want some pasta? You want some pasta? Charlie wants some pasta.
You are beloved. I want you to know you are beloved. You are beloved.
Okay, moment of truth. I'm gonna get me a nice big cheesy bite of this pasta. Oh, that's good. Yeah, you definitely want to try this. Now, if you're dairy free, you could use a cheese alternative. But man, that's good. With that mozzarella and that Parmesan, just all melted up in there. You didn't get your squirrel, did you? You want to try a little bit of pasta? I'm going to get you just a little bit. You can have a little taste. Oh, you like it too, huh? Must be good. We'll see you guys soon. God bless and shalom.
You are essential, not accidental.